Happy Friday, LoSal USD. I'm Nicole Pichardo, and this is your wrap-up for September 16th, 2022.
We are going to start this week's episode with a little flashback to last Saturday, where our middle school choirs from both Oak and McAuliffe performed together at the annual Seal Beach Arts and Crafts Fair. The two choirs combined together to perform the song Big Time. We'd like to send a big shout out to McAuliffe Choir Director Shannon Wallace and Oak Choir Director Vince O'Connell for bringing these beautiful young voices together. Speaking of bringing people together, the Thursday night lights were shining bright this week as our Griffins hosted the annual St. Jude football game. Griffin cheer and song leaders were joined by over 150 elementary and middle school students on the field to show their support for St. Jude and its mission of fighting childhood cancer. The annual campaign to support St. Jude has been running throughout the month and ends this Sunday, so there's still time to support and give. In other news, our generous community continues to give back and support not only our schools but our staff as well. Throughout the past 2 weeks, the Rossmoor Homeowners Association set up grab-and-go lunches for staff at each of our 4 elementary schools in Rossmoor. RHA says the purpose of these luncheons were to kick off the school year by saying a little thank you to our staff. So thank you, RHA, for being so supportive of our schools. This week also marks the start of Hispanic Heritage Month, and our Weaver Whales celebrated with a parade of flags and cultural dancers during their flag ceremony on Friday. 5th graders also joined in the festivities by offering sweet bread and cafecito. It was a wonderful celebration of cultures and diversities in our community. And finally, 5th grade students at McGaugh put their engineering skills to the test this week as they recreated the classic egg drop experiment. Using a variety of materials, students engineered and built a lunar lander to protect their astronaut, or their hard-boiled eggs, as they descended to the ground. They were successful if their egg didn't crack during the 13-foot drop. And that's the wrap-up for this week. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful weekend.